Mastering the phrase, outclassed. Enhance your English vocabulary. Hello, dear language enthusiasts. Today we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's quite descriptive and powerful: outclassed. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you to appreciate the nuances of English expressions. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Outclassed is a term derived from the concept of classifying or grouping things based on quality or ability. When we say someone or something is outclassed, it means they are surpassed in quality, skill, or ability by someone or something else. It can be used in various contexts, from sports and competitions to academic achievements, and even in everyday life situations. The term has its roots in the social class system, where classifying people based on their status or rank was common. Over time, the term evolved beyond social status to describe any situation where there is a clear disparity in performance or quality. Let's see how outclassed can be used in sentences. 1. Despite his efforts, the young wrestler was outclassed by his more experienced opponent. 2. The local coffee shop was outclassed by the new, high-end cafe that opened across the street. 3. In the latest smartphone release, Brand A has outclassed Brand B with its innovative features. In each of these sentences, outclassed highlights a situation where there is a clear winner and loser based on some comparative standards. There are several synonyms you can use. Some of these include overshadowed, surpassed, exceeded, eclipsed, dominated. Each synonym has a slightly different connotation, but they all convey the idea of being outperformed. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, outclassed. We hope you feel more confident using this term in your conversations and can appreciate the depth it adds to your English. Keep practicing, and don't get discouraged if you feel outclassed by native speakers. Every expert was once a beginner. Until our next lesson, keep learning and expanding your horizons.